there are a lot of platforms in the market. So we will begin with the very famous and the top platform, which is Leonardo.ai. This platform gives us so many features, from prompt to image generation, and we will walk through that, what is the prompt and how to create image to image, and then animate to your artwork with the very simple steps. Some very premium features this platform has, and it really can give the best opportunity that we you can enhance your content from very normal to the very advanced. So it has everything which is very new when it comes to AI generations. So we will be using here for architecture purposes. You can use it for your designing, your modeling to your brand, and it has a lot to be explored. So we will start with this platform, which is Leonardo AI. This is how its interfaces look like. It has so many features. So on the top you can see this is the dashboard after the login. um, so it has a real-time canvas, means you can at the real time you can draw and you can generate the content with the help of AI. So you will not need to draw some artwork, some elements. AI will be generating it. Similarly, we have a real-time generation. On the real time you can see that what AI is creating for you, and then the motion, how you can animate, the image creation. So how many ways we have to image creation, how many uh, prompt types we have, upscaler. So these are the features which this platform is providing. At the top there are some advanced features also, like to train the model and to create the model which you want it to be consistent to your artwork. So this is all we will be coming in the coming section. We will be discussing further. On the left hand side we have a lot of features. These are six main features to this platform, which is AI image generation, motion, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and universal upscaler. So these are the features which we will be walking through step by step. There is a lot more to explore. So we this is the home page of this dashboard. So after the login we come to this dashboard. So here you can see the community creations which community is creating and sharing as a public. So most of the content which is public means is being created for free for us. So this is the free content which you can download it, which is loyalty free or free to use for commercial purposes also, and which has some limitations in terms of resolution and the sizes at all only. So you can come to this any artwork and here you can download to use it for free. So step by step we will be discussing about all the features of this platform. So the home page you can see it's for community, and it has upscale artwork and the motions also. So upscale artwork we will be discussing that the some artwork which is being enhanced. So we can say it's a pictures, images, and we have motion means video. So at this platform there are two type of content, image and video, right? So we have images, the and the clips, which is up to 4 seconds to this platform. So here we have some premium features also which is enabled because this is the premium platform. I mean premium subscription which I have been uh, using at the time being. So this is they have some premium features. So I have apparent this subscription at the time being, and I have all these features which we will be discussing today step by step. So mainly this platform is based on to the tokens. So the every month the whatever the subscription you have, or if you are using it for free, so you will have per day 150 tokens, and there is the limitations that every generation, every use of this platform consumes some sort of tokens. So this is very brief about this platform, and definitely we will be walk through this step by step. So we have discussed to the home, and this is the personal feed. Personal feeds is something that the content which you have been created, so it will be displaying here. So this is some of the artwork which I have been created. So these are the two main features. So we will be discussing further step by step for the other features. Thank you.